Hello everyone, Lindsay and Sydney here. Today on our Tea for the Soul page, we're gonna have some fun with Sydney's hair. She has beautiful long hair and we're gonna do a fun little tutorial on how to do just a simple French braid. They can be used tons of different ways. You can like French braid your hair back into a cute little half up, half down, or have like some like foot Dutch? Yeah, like boxer braids. You can do so much with French braids. So we're just gonna do a fun little tutorial to show you how to do it. I just added some hairspray to Sydney's hair to start out with, just to give it a little bit of a dirty texture and make it easier to really grab a hold of her hair. I'm starting off with a large section of hair. You're gonna just divide that into 3 pieces like you would with a normal braid. You get the first run through, and then every time you want to bring that piece around, you're going to grab more hair with it. I want a big, chunky, messy braid, so I'm grabbing big chunks and I'm kind of being messy with it. It'll make a cute result in the end. I'm continuing the braid down the side of Sydney's head, and I'm going to wrap it around the back of her head, kind of aiming for like a side pony, like a lower side pony position. When I get to the end where I want the ponytail to be, I just go a little bit further and braid it a little bit more. So when I go back and I pull on all of those strands to loosen them up, it's just a little easier for me. But just pull on all of those strands to give it that more voluminous look. Lots of volume. And then add a clear rubber band as your ponytail to hold it in place. I always say you can not use some of the braided hair, but going back and adding more of a braid is kind of hard. So I'm going to put a little piece of her ponytail to the side and adding some hairspray to really make sure that it is nice and smooth in the braid and help like each strand stay together. So that piece is what I'm going to wrap around the ponytail, but just run through the braid. Clear rubber band at the bottom, those are the best. We all love those. Loosen up the braid by pulling on it and then take that strand. Put some hairspray on it, wrap it around to cover up the clear rubber band, and then you're gonna secure it in place. If you wanted to go the extra mile, you could also do that on the rubber band that's at the end of her braid also. We didn't do that today. And there you have it, the finished product. Super simple and sweet, definitely something that you can do on your own with a little bit of practice. But overall, it's just a fun, fashionable look for this fall. Well, we hope you enjoyed that fun little tutorial. Sydney, you look great.
Thank you, love it.
I feel like this is something easy that you can do for back to school, or if you're just trying to spice up the hair look.
Yeah, it's simple, but it looks really, it looks like you're really put together. So, loving it.
Everyone, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.